how to enable monthly backup to Google Drive on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable monthly backup to Google Drive on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top. Click on it and then just click settings, and here you will find account chats. This one, click on it and scroll down until you find chat backup, and go down. Here you will find it, backup to Google Drive. Click on it and then just click here, the last one. That's it, it's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.